In this video I'm going to show you how to download Golf with your friends on PC. So what you need to do, open your Google browser, and after that we are quickly going to search up this game at Steam before we can continue to another website to download it. So quickly go to the Steam website and don't waste too much time over there, because we are not going to buy it over here. We are going to download it on another site without overpaying. So select the game, after that open the game page, scroll a little bit down and you will find out that this game is €14.99 on Steam. But don't worry, we have a little workaround for this. What you need to do is go to the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. Then you will be redirected to this page. Now what you need to do is search for the same game, Golf with your friends, and then select it. After that select games on the left side, then sort by price lowest first, and once you have done that we need to search for a PC version with this text marked green so it can be activated in your country. So scroll a little bit down till you'll find a version for the PC which can be activated, and then select the game. After that you are opening the game page and you will find out that we can already download this game for just €4.81 compared to the Steam price of €14.99. This will save you a lot of money while downloading games online. Now once you have purchased this game on this website, you will receive an activation key for Steam so you can activate this game within your Steam account and download it on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye.